Today I'm going to show you what is included in the Kumikreator Bracelet Maker Kit. This kit is supposed to come with enough supplies to make up to 10 bracelets. Inside we have a large blue bracelet maker machine that has a lot of round nodules and a handle that will need to be installed to the machine. We also have a ton of colored spools of thread, 5 different colors and 88 spools in total. These spools are supposed to fit into the machine. I also see 10 silver clasps and 20 end caps, and there are 26 clasp stickers. And here's a pink pamphlet that tells you where to go to watch a video of how to set everything up. At the back of the pamphlet they also have numbered steps to follow. And this looks like to be a little design booklet with different design ideas for your bracelets. This design booklet is colored to make it easy to follow. And here's another pamphlet with more colored pictures and directions. I briefly watched that video earlier, and the first thing you're going to want to do is to attach the handle to the machine. Then choose a bracelet design and start loading the colored spools according to the design guide. Last step is to thread the string before you start spinning. Expect that the machine may get jammed, and if it does, you may need to help your child to unjam the machine. My suggestion would be to go back to the same website noted on the enclosed pamphlet for tips on how to unjam the spools.